Hello, my people, how you all doing? Hope you're doing fine. Hope your vehicle too is doing fine. This is Gary 66 Autotech. A couple of days now, people have been reaching me online like Gary 66. How do we know if our vehicle is working fine? And I reply to them, each plus one of them. Look, number one, you must have listening sense, listening skills. Whenever you hear anonymous sound from your vehicle, try and visit an auto technician or a nearby mechanic. And two, when you start your vehicle in the morning, try and check the silencer, the uh, vehicle pipe tail, what kind of smoke comes out of it. If it is like white thick smoke, black thick smoke, blue thick smoke, or a gray smoke, please, they are harmful for your vehicle. But when you see a very light, steaming, vaporish, you know, coming out from your silencer in the morning, it won't last more than 15 to 30 minutes and it will just stop. Then your vehicle is working perfect. You can travel anywhere you want it to, um, you know, just like you are good to go. So that's just it. Other smoke except from yeah, just to know if your vehicle is running fine. You can see it's a light white smoke with a vapor coming out of your pipe tail. So trust me, up to 5 minutes it will disappear. So this smoke is different from a thick white smoke or a thick black smoke or from a blue smoke, neither a gray smoke. So telling you this just to know the kind of the kind of smoke your vehicle is puffing out. When you see this kind of thin white smoke from your pipe tail or vehicle's pipe tail, you have no worries. Only if it disappear 5 minutes. Thank you.